ladies and gentlemen? Darius Riddick here, aka Riddick the Lion, aka the Elite Athlete, and welcome to another episode of the Lion's Kitchen. Today is going to be super duper quick, and I'm going to be bringing you one of my favorite pre-workout snacks. Today, we're going to be looking at a Choco PB pre-workout snack. And for those of you that are thinking like, oh, Lion, I don't eat before my training. No, you're wrong. You should be eating before your training. And let me tell you why. So the reason why we actually eat things that are high in fat, high in carbohydrates before our workouts, because when we work out, when we train, when we run, when we lift weights, our body has these storage tanks, all right? And in these storage tanks, there's glucose and there's adipose or fatty tissue, okay? Now, our body uses that for energy during our workouts and just our daily moving around, okay? So when those levels are depleted, our body is more susceptible to being garbage, okay? So we won't be able to have as much energy to do those daily tasks or to come back with our training bigger, stronger, faster, hitting it hard every single time. So I use these pre-workout snacks in order to keep my body going through those intense training sessions, and I guarantee that your body will love you once you eat it. So we're just gonna blow through this really quick. As far as equipment goes, all you're gonna need is your samurai knife, okay? And then your actual ingredients, right? For this one, it's gonna be a Choco PB and fruit-based pre-workout meal. So I like to grab the Quaker chocolate rice cakes, delicious, bananas. PB, depending on what you prefer, you know, if you get normal peanut butter, obviously it's gonna be a little bit higher in fat, but okay, if you're training hard, that's not a bad thing. Or if you're doing some light training, you just want a little then you can get your PB too, okay? And the last thing is honey. That's gonna give us a little bit of drizzle, a little bit of extra healthy glucose. Make sure we're keeping our sugar intakes low. Boom, let's get to making. All right, first things first, pop out our rice cakes. This is what we're gonna need as our foundation. For me, all I need is 2. Throw the rest to the side, we'll eat those later. Bam, that is our foundation. Okay, next up, grab your banana. Peel it like a regular person, not like a psychopath. Great, get that out the way. Set it down and cut it up into as many pieces as you would like. If you like a thicker banana, that's on you. But for me, I like my baby thin. Just like that. All right, so now that we got our foundation, the next thing is going to be to grab our peanut butter, and for each of our servings to spread on our rice cakes, all you need is 1 teaspoon. Now, if you're a cyborg like me, you can measure with your eyes. That's all fine and dandy, but don't be afraid to get a spoon to make sure you're still getting those proper amounts in, okay? So you just take that and spread all along the base to give you a little sticky foundation on each of your rice cakes, and it makes it super easy, okay? And super delicious, because who doesn't like chocolate and peanut butter? Also, the peanut butter is going to give us our healthy fats to be sustained throughout our intense training sessions. All right, so now that that's spread out, what we're going to do next is just go ahead and take our banana like a drum on a gun and just add on up there real cylindrically like. All right, I don't even know if that's a word, but whatever, you know, spread it on up there. And I like to fill all the spaces, and if you got some extra, don't be afraid to feed the little puppy. Give him a little bit of the treat, okay? Just like that. All right, all we have left is our honey. So I got the nice little honey. This is going to get our sustained glucose to keep it healthy. And you're just going to get a nice little drizzle right across the top, okay? Don't overdo it. I usually don't like to measure this because this is our treat yourself just for fun. A nice little drizzle right on top. You take a look at this. These are absolutely beautiful, okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is your snack. Remember, we're getting those healthy fats, getting that foundation, getting our potassium, and then getting our glucose, because we want to have our body ready for those intense training sessions, right? We don't want lack of energy or a lethargic attitude because of a lack of energy to potentially stop our workout. So if you guys like this pre-workout meal, this pre-workout snack, be sure to let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, leave, you know, your pre-workout meal, what you think of it in the comments down below. And without further ado, I'm gonna get ready for my training. I'm gonna go ahead and devour this. Till next time, happy lifting, Pride. Mm-hmm.